because the sugar is food for the cell. Break it to pyruvate stepwise as well. This is glycolysis. It's the first part. It makes a little ATP, a good start. ATP, energy for you. Cells make it daily. It's what they do. Glucose in, oxygen to, mitochondrion make ATP respiration for you. NAD is a help but carries HL away. That's hydrogen and electrons. Save for another day. If no oxygen's around, cells change their plan. Make lactate in animals or bread raised in a pan.
Anaerobic stored only 2 ATP. It keeps you alive but it's low energy. That's why we need oxygen, strong and neat. With it, our cells can really compete.
ATP, energy for you. Cells make it daily. It's what they do. Glucose in, oxygen to, mitochondria make ATP respiration for you. With oxygen present, pyruvate will go to the link reaction where changes flow. It turns acetyl-CoA, that's the name, into the Krebs cycle, a spinning game. Krebs makes NAD and CO2 released. A little ATP too, NADPs. Then NAD runs to the transport chain. Electrons drop down like a video game. ATP, energy for you. Cells make it daily. It's what they do. Glucose in, oxygen to, mitochondria make ATP respiration for you. Electrons move in pump process in line. A gradient builds up. Pressure's fine. ATP synthase spins like a wheel. This is chemiosmosis. Energy's real.
Oxygen waits at the end of the track. Takes electron, makes water. No backing back. Without the O2, the chain just dies. So breathing deep, it's no surprise.
ATP, energy for you. Cells make it daily. It's what they do. Glucose in, oxygen to, mitochondria make ATP respiration for you. ATP, energy for you. Cells make it daily. It's what they do. Glucose in, oxygen to, mitochondria make ATP respiration for you.